Hi, this is Glenn Worsler from Recastio. I want to show you how to set Recastio up on your TV using the Amazon Fire Stick. So if you go to, once you get your Fire Stick all set up and you go to the App Store, the main screen that you have, you'll find your Netflix and all your apps on there. So up here in the upper right you have Home, and then you have this icon here. Backspace over using your remote, go to the search bar, type in Recastio, R-E-C-A-S-T-I-O, and you'll find it here. Click on that. It will have you download the app into your Fire TV. Click on that. It just takes a minute. So what I want to tell you is whenever you sign up for, you just download it, click on that. So whenever you go to the website, it's downloading now and installing. But when you go to recastio.com and you sign up for a monthly subscription, you get a subscription code. Automatic, it comes to your email. And it is just like Netflix. So you just type it in, and I'll show you how to do that, but you just type it in, and then this links to your CMS, the back end of Recastio, where you can add the slides and everything else. So there's a user login on the main page. Once you get your account set up, just click on that button, and it will you'll be able to get in and add your slides from there. So once it's installed, click on that open button there with your remote, and our Recastio will start up. It'll take you to this screen. On your email, your welcome email, it'll have your subscription code, like I said. So just type it in here. We're just using a sample subscription code that we have set up just for the demo. Click on next, click submit once that's in there, and it will tie this in again to your pictures. So this is the Hall of Fame, the Pro Football Hall of Fame here in Canton, Ohio. But I wanted to show you, this is an image that's brought in from Photoshop. And you just make it in Photoshop, you save it as a JPEG or a PNG, and you add your content right on the picture. So you're able to do that. Or you're able to take your picture, upload it into Recastio, and then go in and add a title and description. If you don't have Photoshop or whatever, you can just make it this way, and then it puts that frame around it. So what I want to show you here is it's the same picture as the first one, the first slide, but it's got Scan Me. So you can pick up, grab your phone, you can scan this. Hopefully it'll let me do it. Well, you can use your remote and go back if you need to. But so you scan that, and then what it does is it puts the content of that screen right on your phone. So if you have a menu, if you're a restaurant, you have a menu or something like that, you can set that up, add the optional QR code that is included, and then your clients, customers can scan that and it'll go right to their phone. We also include the weather on there on the $65 version and a Twitter page. You can set this up to a news agency. You can set up to your own. So if you're running, if you're a restaurant, you're running a special for the day, you can have tomato soup and grilled cheese, and just tweet it out and it'll show up on your TV. So that's how easy it is. Or you can just put it on CNN or whatever. We happen to use Jumpstart out of Cleveland. They help entrepreneurs like me get off the ground. But you're able to put whatever you want right in the Twitter, and then you don't have to update your slides all the time. So whenever this Twitter feed gets updated, then your page will get updated, your slide. So the other thing I want to show you is the video that we just included, or we just finished up. It's $95 a month, but you're able to take your videos and stack them on top, your MP4s, stack them on top of each other in our CMS. What will happen then is our video player will put the videos on here, It will run through the first one, then go to the second one, go to the third one, and repeat. Go back up to the first one. No commercials. It's not tied in with YouTube, so you don't get your competitors' videos in there. But let me show you how that works. Just take 1 second. So what this is set up on a 2-minute cycle is for the images. So once if you add a new slide, within 2 minutes, your TV will update. So I just changed it over to the videos, and we're waiting for, within the 2 minutes, for that to start. So this is the weather slide. Shows you where we're at today. Clear skies, 40 degrees, wind speed. It's a little windy out there at 4.1 miles per hour. Actually, that's almost no wind. But so as soon as this clicks over, we'll be able to show you how the video side works. Again, this is just the Twitter feeds that come in. On the more expensive versions of Recastio, you're able to add up to 8 Twitter feeds. So if you have different departments in your company or you have different locations, you're able to set each screen up. Here it comes. So we also have, you're also able to have audio with this. So this is just a Harley video that we pulled off of the internet. But it looks nice. On the 4K version, this actually looks better. It looks fantastic on the 4K. You don't need a 4K TV, but if you have a 4K stick, this video comes out really nice. But what I was saying, in the more expensive Twitter feeds, you're able to add up to 8 Twitter accounts. So if you have different departments or different locations within your company, each location is able to have their own Twitter feed. And then as soon as they tweet out whatever they need, it shows up on here. You can select the colors for the different departments or the different feeds. Again, there's up to 8. That's on the more expensive. And you're also able to change your logo down here. This is Recastio for $65. We include our logo. If you want your own logo on there, you want it to be white labeled, costs a little bit more. Give us a call if you want that option. We can work with you. But that's pretty much it. But have a good day. Oh, here's what I want to tell you. We've got tutorials on the inside of the CMS. So just because you don't know how to do any of this, that's all right. You get the account, you click on our tutorial button at the top of the page in the CMS, and we've got tutorials in there. If you ever have any problems, our number is on every page at the bottom. Give us a call. One of our guys can help you out, getting all set up and whatnot. But I appreciate your time. Hope you have a good day.